Hi, this is Dean O'Dell with 7 Gables Real Estate in the O'Dell Group. Welcome to 13721 Milford Circle in North Tustin. This is a great house. This is the kind of house you wish you had 10 of these houses, okay? This house offers dual master suites. You can move to one side of the house when the kids get older if you have an extended family situation. This is perfect. Wait till you see the yard on this house. This property has not been available for almost 20 years, and there's a reason why. So let's go inside. Okay, you've been through the house. Now look at this backyard. You do not see yards like this in this price range very often, that's for darn sure. This house also has dual RV access. Take a look at this video and give us a call if you want to see this. This isn't going to last long. Thanks.